Hey guys, it's Emilyana. I'm doing a really quick Christmas room tour from at home. I'm doing this really quick because I want to get this up today and I honestly don't have much time, so here we go. I can't miss a day, so this is what I'm dealing with.
The most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose.
Walking into my room, I'll go here first. Got a little gnome, snowman, and Santa. Over here, I have it, there's no place like home, little sign, and then a snowman thing. And I keep putting my bows on here. Don't know why, but I keep putting them there. But yeah. Then up here, I love this part. This is kind of Taylor, not really. I have my Taylor Lover's house with all my bracelets. And then I have like these angels I've had for so long, and I love them so much. And then this is what tour feels like with my tour confetti. And then this is Era Tour with bracelets, confetti, glitter, very Eras Tour. And then a little Merry Christmas, all white. There's not much Christmas over here. My book cart, all that's Christmas is this little sign. That's all my bookmarks. That's a Christmas present. But there's no Christmas books. This is crazy. I just put everything up here. I put this there. There's stuff from high school, like so many old pictures. But I have this like ornament. I always put it right there. It's fine. It's cute. I like it. Up here, this is amazing. It's pearl wooden tree. Love it. Santa, please stop your little sign. And then this, which was my aunt's, and then I took it. It's not my favorite, but I don't have many Christmas decorations, so I put that there. This, I really love, my little QB. And it's another little angel. I'm obsessed with like angels, and I love this little baby angel. It's beautiful. And then I have Believe Miracles Do Happen. And kind of like it gives off a vibe because of the sign and the angels. It's like very magical, whimsically. It's so cute. My tree, which I'll turn on. This is so cute. I have a little white mini tree, and there's pink icicles. There's these Mickey ones I've had since I was like a baby. And then it's like, it's all sorts of colors, but it's a lot of pink, gold, and silver. But it's just really cute. And of course a bow, because bows are in, but I've had this bow for so long. So cute. And another little angel. Love the little angels. This little like reindeer who is adorable and so pastel. Adorable. Just so adorable. Adorable counts. Penguins. Penguins are my favorite animal. So I have a bunch of penguins. But we have this little like felt guy. He's so cute. And then this little like winter forest that is so cute. It's so cute. And it's on this little tray, and this was my mom's idea because she did a Halloween version, and then she made me a little Christmas version, and I love it. This my Nana gave me, and it's a little snow globe with a gingerbread house. And my mom just said I have the cutest one, which I believe, because it's so pink and pastel-y. This is from Home Goods. This does light up. Hold up. Look how cute. And it's like, there's fairy lights in it, so it's kind of just shines like that. And then another Nomi. Wait, I haven't shown you a Nomi yet. This is my Nomi corner. So I have this little guy from Target. This tree was sheds, but it's so adorable. I love the little like frothed tree look. Of course, Taylor CDs, and I'm sure there's more in there. And then I have a gingerbread latte little gnome, and he is so cute. It's a little bird, and that's it. I'm calling Santa, which I think is so funny. But it's so like whimsical. My cubbies are very like whimsical. That little thing is whimsical, but it's a very like pastel Christmas vibe in here. So much for watching. I'm sorry it's very quick, but oh, I forgot this. At my entrance I have this little like snowflake sign. That's adorable. But I hope you guys enjoyed this very fast room tour, but I really just need to get this up. I'm filming this like 20 minutes before this goes up, so yeah, I'm gonna edit this real quick, put it up. Please like, subscribe. I have way better videos coming, but yeah, do all that fun stuff. All the links are down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye. Peace. Bye.